Far too many people think they need to set up an LLC for everything, but this mentality could lead them to waste thousands of dollars. And in this video, I'll tell you what you must do before you decide to form your LLC. The first thing that you must do before forming an LLC is to ask yourself this one question. What is the purpose of my LLC? Before you file your articles of organization, you must define what your company's business purpose is and what it actually does. And this is because your LLC's purpose impacts your operating agreement, your taxes, and even your legal protections. And if you can't explain your business purpose clearly, you're not ready. So how do you determine that you're ready to begin with? Well, to help make this easier for you, it's important to know that LLCs serve two main purposes. The first business purpose is for asset protection. And this is because people form LLCs to protect their valuable assets, like their stocks, their cryptocurrency, and their real estate. On the other hand, the second purpose is for running a business. And this happens when your LLC is your primary source of income and you employ yourself and other employees. If your purpose to forming an LLC falls into one of these two categories, then you're ready to form an LLC. And if you're ready, here's the process. Step 1, you must choose the right state. Forming in the wrong state can mean higher fees and unnecessary filings. You must select a state that supports your business model and it protects you. And this is especially true when it comes to using an LLC for asset protection. Step 2, you must check the name availability at the Secretary of State. Your business name must be unique in your state and it can't infringe on any other LLC name. Otherwise, you risk customer confusion or even potential litigation after you form your LLC. Number 3 is to draft all the paperwork, which includes filing the articles of organization with the Secretary of State, preparing an operating agreement, and getting an EIN number from the IRS, which you will then use to form a business bank account for your LLC. Step 4 is to perform annual maintenance. You'll need to pay an annual filing fee or prepare an annual report to keep your LLC in good standing with the Secretary of State. You'll also need to factor in registered agent costs and other compliance expenses that could be at the local level. And skipping these steps is a lack of due diligence, and it could sink you if your LLC is ever sued in the future, which we don't want to have happen to you. Now, with all of this in mind, if you have a clear business purpose for your LLC, you'll notice that there are lots of tasks that you'll need to complete to ensure that your LLC has protection into the future. And if you need help with LLC formation and maintenance, our team at Corporate Direct would be happy to assist you with this. Look, we're real human beings who can help guide you through all these issues. And on top of that, we actually answer the phones. You can schedule your free 15-minute consultation with us by clicking the link in the video description below. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.